sometimes good, sometimes bad. Our biggest teachers are our parents, sometimes grandparents, sometimes neighbors, sometimes just like other relatives who always want to give gyan whatever they have. Gyan hai ya nahi hai, but dene ka hai. That's the easiest thing that we can give to others. So everybody has that saying, ghar le lo sabse pehle. In fact, lot of times we see somebody has started making money and they are bogged down into this.
सर लिक्विडिटी का जो क्वेश्चन होता है ना, एसेट क्लास के अंदर मुझे कोई थोड़े दिन पहले आए थे, उन्होंने एसेट क्वालिटी के बारे में बोला कि एक एसेट क्वालिटी भी एक चीज़ होती है। रियल एस्टेट एक ऐसी चीज़ है कि अनलाइक एनी एवरी अदर, मतलब एफडी को पूरा तोड़ना पड़ता है, हर्ड, बट जैसे आप स्टॉक आपने खरीद रखा है, 1-2 शेयर बेच सकते हैं। म्यूचुअल फंड है आपके पास, 10 करोड़ का आपका होगा, पर आप उसके अंदर से 2-3 एनएवी निकाल करके 5, 10, 15 हज़ार कर सकते हैं। सेम विद गोल्ड, काट के बेच सकते हैं। एवरीथिंग हैज़ पार्शियल लिक्विडिटी एंड हाई लिक्विडिटी, ईजिली वो लिक्विडेट हो जाता है। रियल एस्टेट लिक्विडेशन के अंदर तो प्रॉब्लम होती ही है, वो तो ऑब्वियसली टिकट साइज इतना बड़ा होता है, लिक्विडेशन की कॉस्ट भी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है क्योंकि ट्रांजैक्शन कॉस्ट रियल एस्टेट की बहुत हाई है, बट आप उसको पार्शियली लिक्विडेट भी नहीं कर सकते। घर के अंदर से आप ये नहीं है कि आपने सिर्फ ये बाथरूम बेच दिया, पूरा ही बिकता है। फिर हम क्यों प्रेफर करते हैं? इज इट जनरेशनल? इज इट अ जनरेशनल थिंग कि हमारा साइकी के अंदर जो बताया गया है कि अपना घर अपना घर अपना घर, क्या इसकी वजह से हम इसको प्रेफर करते हैं या ये क्यों आता है?
उमेर, आपने ना बिल्कुल वो कहते हैं ना, नेल इन द कॉफिन, यू हैव एक्चुअली पुट इट एग्जैक्टली वेयर इट इज. द बिगेस्ट, sometimes good, sometimes bad, our biggest teachers are our parents, sometimes grandparents,
Yeah.
and sometimes people, I'm not saying about parents, sometimes neighbors, sometimes just like other relatives who always want to give gyan whatever they have. Gyan hai ya nahi hai, but dene ka hai. That's the easiest thing that we can give to others. So everybody has that saying कि घर ले लो सबसे पहले. In fact, lot of times we see somebody has started making money and they are bogged down into this, right? So liquidity is a major concern. Let me give you another example of someone I was talking just 3 days back. I have a client based in Calcutta. They have a son who is right now working in Hyderabad. And we were just discussing investments just 3 days back. And he told me, I might need this money. Most likely I will need this money in some time. Why? Because I have to help my son buy a house in Hyderabad. I said, boss, give me answer to few questions. Question number 1, is your son confirmed that he will only work in Hyderabad all the time? He said, no. I said, I know his career. Last 10 years, he's changed his places at least 3 times. This is the 3rd place he is living in terms of city. You have houses in Calcutta, you have houses in Delhi. If supposing tomorrow he has to settle some place, which is as per his choice, will it be Hyderabad? He said, probably not. I said, but then you want to buy an asset which is really going to cost money from your side and EMI from his side also. He said he's paying rent. But I said rent is his choice. 1 year down the line, 2 year down the line, he want to leave that job or whatever, the other way around, he can easily take a decision to move to any part of the world. Why only India? Any part of the world. Right? But if he would have bought that Hyderabad ki property, you think that decision for him to change job is going to be so easy?
No.
The layering or filter to take that decision will be loaded with the house that I have bought. I have to pay EMI. Now I will go to another house. I will pay rent there then.
Yeah.
Right? You might save on rent here and instead buy on this. So actually real estate is emotional. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. You can show off with real estate. I have got real estate here, I have got real estate here. But can you show off with mutual funds? No. But then my question is, are you ready to pay the cost of showing off? There is a cost. Is it free? No. You have got liquidity, as rightly said by you. You're not going to say, चलो एक कमरा बेच देता हूँ, मुझे बच्चों को एजुकेशन करने भेजना है, let me do this. No.